Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the Pharo's testnet airdrop. So Pharo testnet airdrop actually launched less than 24 hours ago, and it is currently buzzing. And right now, if you're watching this video, you are very lucky because you just caught this project less than 24 hours and you stand a chance of earning the most from it. And no, you don't need to be told, you are among the early adopters of this project. So on this video guys, I'm going to be showing you all you need to know concerning the Pharo testnet airdrop, what you need to do, all the links you need, and all concerning this project is going to be shared right here on this particular video. Please, if you're coming across our channel for the first time, or if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are heading fast to 10,000 subscribers. And also, in case you are just coming across my channel for the first time, on this channel I provide you guys latest updates about cryptocurrency, on how you can be able to succeed on making money for free right here in the cryptocurrency space. And also, I guide you through all the airdrop I'm introducing to make sure that you succeed. I do not just throw out project for you to engage into. I guide you until I make sure that you are eligible and you claim and cash out from it. So this is another edition of it, and right here on this video we are going to be talking about the Pharo testnet airdrop. You can see over here guys, the testnet actually went live less than 24 hours ago, and right now to be able to participate on this project is very easy, and you do not need to spend a dime. Everything is totally free, and on this video we are going to be starting right now. So the first thing that we need to learn about is what is Pharo testnet airdrop, or what is Pharo network all about. So this is actually a full stack parallel layer 1 blockchain protocol. You know, a layer 1 blockchain means that they own their own blockchain, and of course they are going to be giving out their coin, not token. You know, there's a difference between token and coin. So they are layer 1, meaning that they have their own blockchain, and they also focus on ultra fast EVM compatible transaction, aiming for 50,000 transactions per second to drive Web3 mass adoption through trustless innovation in decentralized finance and real-world asset application. So everything is right here is very cool, and there's no need for us to speak a lot of English right here. Let's dive into what's important. So over here guys, you can see they actually raised about $8 million, and they are being backed by a lot of top investors. And of course, participating on this airdrop is totally free, and you can see over here that it is confirmed right here on the crypto rank. And right now, without wasting time, the link to starting this airdrop is going to be right there on the video description box. Copy the link right there, then it's that's where I'm going to start right now. Okay, so over here guys, once you copy the link, open it up either on your MetaMask wallet, but if you have Mrs. browser, you can as well open it up on your Mrs. browser that you have already installed your MetaMask wallet or OKX wallet on it. Okay, so right now guys, once you open up the website, this is what you're going to be seeing. Over here guys, you can see this is how everything works, and literally all we have to do right here is claim token, which I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to claim the token right now. Then you perform some swap, provide liquidity, send tokens to friends, and invite people. This is all you need to do right now. When you scroll down a little bit, you can see we have social tasks right here, which involve following people on Twitter and of course joining the Discord. So what you need to do is simply, once you have opened this page, the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and claim testnet token. Now, what are testnet tokens? Testnet tokens are the tokens that you need to be able to run transaction right here on this particular testnet that we are running. You know, this is testnet. We do not use real assets to perform on it. We need testnet token. So to be able to get the testnet token, what you need to do is to simply come over here to this website. Remember, all the links are going to be right there on the video description box, so do not bother. So right now guys, you can see when you scroll down, once you come over here, you need to claim token every 24 hours before you can be able to claim token. You can see over here, I claimed a couple of hours ago, and right now I need to wait until after 24 hours before I can be able to claim again. And each claim you are going to be able to claim 0.2 PHRS, which is of course the native token. So you can actually claim this every 24 hours, and to be able to claim it, you simply need to paste the wallet address of your own wallet right here, and also you verify this captcha, then you are good to go. You know, pass like that. So once you have claimed your token, the next thing you need to do is to simply come over here to this website. Remember, all the links are going to be right there. The first thing you need to do is simply click on check-in to check in, and of course the system will verify that you are very active. So right now guys, the next thing is for you to perform swap. Okay, so to be able to perform swap, you click over here on swap. All right, and once you click on swap, you are going to be taken to another website called testnet.zenithswap.xyz. Over here, guys, you need to connect your wallet if you haven't connected yet. And once you connect your wallet, you are going to be seeing your balance showing right here. You can see I only have 0.2 PHRS right now, so I'm going to be converting it or swapping it to USDT if the option is right there. So this is USDT right here, so I'm going to be swapping it. So right now, what percentage or what amount? 0.01. I want to be very stingy about this. Okay, let me make it 0.1. Okay, so right now 0.1 PHRS is equivalent to $14. Is equivalent to $14. So right now, guys, I'm going to be clicking on swap. All right, once you click on swap right now, you need to confirm the swap by confirming the transaction that's going to be popping up right now. Okay, so right now, guys, you need to give it a little time to open up, just like it's loading right here. You need to be patient about this whole thing. So right now, guys, this is it right here, and I need to click on confirm to actually confirm this transaction. And guys, just like that, I think we are able to good to go right now. So we have now confirmed the transaction. Let's see what we're going to have right here. You can see swap successful right here. We have it. We have successfully swapped 0.1 PHRS to 4 USDT. I thought that should be 14. Okay, actually 4 USDT. Okay, so we are still good to go. So right now, guys, we have now swapped it to 4 USDT. The next thing that I need to do right now is to swap to another token. Remember, the amount of swap that you perform right here actually determines a lot, because the volume of your transaction is what actually determines your own allocation. Okay, so right now let me just swap 0.01 0.05. Okay, so then I'm going to be swapping 0.05 to wrapped PHRS, because I think I'm going to be needing it in the future. So I will click on wrap right now. Okay, another transaction is going to be popping up right now, which I need to confirm immediately. Okay, so this is it right now. I need to click on confirm, and right now this transaction is going to be confirmed. You can see transaction submitted, and right now we are good to go. Okay, so right now, guys, you can see, let's see what we have right here. You can see we have now wrapped 0.05 PHRS to wrapped PHRS. Okay, so we are now done with the first task. So the next thing we need to do is to come back right here to this website. We have now done with swapping, right? So right now we need to provide liquidity. So right now I will click on deposit. Okay, and you are going to be brought right here. The next thing you need to do is simply click on new pool. And once you click on new pool, right now you need to select the token that you want to provide liquidity for. So right now the first one is PHRS. Then I need to select another token, maybe USDT. And right here, guys, you can see I need to select the percentage that I want. So I'm going to be selecting 1% best for exotic pay. I will click on this right now. You can see we are now going to be we chose 1% for this. So right now, guys, I need to select the amount that I want to use. So I'm going to be selecting 0.01 for this, and you can see this is equivalent amount to USDT. Let me increase it to maybe 0.03. Okay, let me just put it this way, because I might be needing it later. So right now, guys, I'm going to be providing liquidity, but first of all I need to click on approve. Okay, so transaction is going to be popping up. I need to confirm it before I will finally provide the liquidity. Okay, so right now I will click on confirm. So these are the things that you might encounter at your own end, and right now I have a message for you at the end of this video. Okay, so right now this is it. We have now approved it. So right now I will click on review, and once I click on review, I will review it. You can see this is the liquidity I'm providing. Then I need to click on add right now, and immediately I'm now going to be confirming the last transaction, and that will be all. Okay, so this is what we have right here. I need to click on confirm. You can see how seamless this is. You can see how fast and how good everything is working right here. So right now, guys, we have now successfully provided the liquidity right here. You can see transaction submitted. I will close this right now, then I will come back right here. Okay, so we are now done with swap, and we are now done with provided liquidity. Now we have send token to friends. So I will click on this send. Right now, guys, you can see I have only 0.02 PHRS right here. So I'm going to be sending okay, let me send 0.01. Now I need a wallet address. So you need to leave your wallet address right there on the comment section. I'll be sending you some token, and also if you're on our Telegram, you can send me your address to my inbox, and also you can just leave your address anywhere I can find it so that I can send you some token. Okay, so right now, guys, I need a wallet address. I will go to my MetaMask. Okay, over here on my MetaMask, let me get the wallet address of my second wallet right here. So opening up right now, I need to go to my second account. Okay, okay, this is my second account. I will click on this. So I'm gonna have to copy it like this. Okay, let me copy it. I've now copied it. So right now I need to come back right here, then This is the address, different address. I need to click on send PHRS. Okay, you can see how it is going right now, and of course I need to confirm this transaction. Okay, I will click on confirm. Okay, and right now this is actually taking some time, but I think it has gone through, because if you come over here to my MetaMask, you can see the transaction has actually gone. You can see over here I have actually done it 2 times. The transaction has actually done, but I think this should be a glitch. Of course, this is testnet, and something like this shouldn't be a surprise for you. Okay, but once you have just sent it, then that is how it is. You can confirm it on your wallet. Okay, so this is how it is right now. And over here we have the last one, which is invite friend. Obviously all of us knows this one. You simply need to, you know, copy your invite link, and of course share it. You can click over here on this button right here. You can see invite right here. You can just copy it, and once you copy it, you can share with your family and friends, and every person you invite actually earn you a reward. Like for now, I've got just 5 invites. More people are going to be dropping in, so if you're here to start, make sure you start right away. Okay, so right now we need to go back right now, and of course I believe we all know how we can be able to complete this last one right here. You can see Pharo identity service coming soon, collect NFT, this is also coming soon. And over here I believe we all know how to do this one, which is of course following their X account and of course joining a Discord. I believe we all know how to do this one right here. No need to waste time right here doing it for you. I believe you know how to do it. So this is literally all you need to know right now concerning this project, and you can see this is where your progress is being tracked up right here. Okay, so this is how simple it is, guys. So if you have any question, or if you are finding any difficulty, let me have it right there in the comment section, and I'll be there to address you immediately. So everything is as simple as this, and this is how you participate on the Pharo testnet that is currently live. All right, so any update is going to be shared, so make sure that you are stick to the channel, and also do not forget to be following us on Telegram, where we provide you with information every single day. All right, so one thing I needed to know about this, just like I told you guys that I'm going to be telling you something at the end of the video, is that this type of airdrop is very new, and you should not expect it to you should not expect yourself to cash out immediately from this project. Of course, this is testnet. They could take up to 2-3 months and even up to a year plus before you can actually cash out from this type of project. This is testnet. It takes time, and you need to be patient. Not just that, but you need to be following any update that they give, because if you leave any update behind, or if you do not complete any requirement from them, you could be disqualified from the airdrop. So make sure you are following us, because any update is going to be related to you immediately through our different channels. All right, so this is how simple it is, guys, and this is all you need to know right now concerning this project. I will talk to you guys on the next video, dropping very soon. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and of course do have a lovely day.